Hi guys, it's me Theresa here Thursday on TruthPlusDare, and this week's truth is what is your New Year's resolution? And for me I have a few, but basically just to get better at a couple things like improve my gymnastics and my snowboarding, which is what I'm doing right now. And yeah, and the dare is to go in public and yell Happy New Year to random people, so roll the clip. Okay guys, so yeah, I had to take my neck up off so you could see me, but I'm about to go through a blizzard because I have the snow guns going. But after that, I'm going to be screaming Happy New Year, and my brother bailed out. He's like, it's not going to work, so I'm filming it myself, so I'm sorry you won't be able to see people's reactions, but I am going to be doing it, so let's do this. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! So cold, my hand's freezing. Oh god, in a blizzard. Okay, so I'm at a rest stop, so I'm gonna be screaming Happy New Year. I'm gonna turn the camera around and just be saying Happy New Year to random people for a good 10 seconds because my hands are freezing and I have no glove on because I can't do it with the glove, and yeah. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Okay guys, so that was my truth and dare this week, and whoever decided what the truth and dare was, especially the dare, you owe me big time because I am freezing. My face is just red, I have windburn, and I had to go through all those snow guns, and yeah, but other than that, I hope you guys all have a happy new year, and I will see you guys next year and next week. Bye guys!